We're back with another vlog, and today's vlog is going to be called
Chicken nuggets.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see you can be true, you can be true. I want you to see.
Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing Fidget Spinner unboxing versus headphone unboxing. So let's get started. First we have headphones. Second we have Fidget Spinners. So let's get ready unboxing. Sorry about the background, it's just my brother. First, my sister already got hers. We have Fidget Spinners. Next unboxing, headphones. With a charger. Headphones got charged. As you can see, the headphones feel really comfortable inside. They have a sound to them. All headphones do. And you could do that to them where they can go straight. And you can put them on for like a car ride. And you can do that if they're too big. Put them on for the car ride. Bring your fidget spinner with you. Have your phone. Do your fidget spinner like this. Now, for the next room, we're going to be doing the balancing fidget spinner. So let's get started. Let's see if we can keep it on the longer. We can spin the longest. I guess I win that round. But next round, it goes head. So now I'm neck. Oh God. Oh, this is hard. I guess next, let's try to do it. No. Let's do spin tape. Let's try to do our knee now. Ready, set, go. You can't do it like that, you gotta let it go. Well, mine's slowing down because I need to push. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Next round, toe. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you can hold it for this one. Oh gosh, I'm gonna try to do, and then tape. Leg. Okay, now I'm just gonna spin it with our hands. I can't do that. No. All right, now let's do this time. Alright guys, so this is really cool. I hope you enjoy it. Comment down below if you enjoy. Comment, like, share for more videos. And I'll see you. Last. Sorry guys. Yeah, we're so sorry. I'm just gonna keep mine spinning. It looks like something is in this part. Got it. Perfect. They put a lot of work into this. You have to like go hard in it. But luckily she has a big sister who I can do it. Yeah. I'm sorry if you can't see. I'm gonna put it up. Here's the charger. It's a really cool charger. It's white charger. We have a whole bunch of chargers. And we had a whole bunch of a lot of chargers in the video. And this is like a power thing. I need thing. It's like a power thing. It's like emoji style. And I'm gonna read to you.
Comment down below. Have you been watching for Fidget Spinners?
Oh, it's for you guys. For you guys can get like charged and stuff. So cool. So comment down below if you like this video. As I said, subscribe, share for more videos. Bye. Love you. Mwah.